Hey creators and tech heads! Today on BlackSattai AI, we're talking about a tool that's smarter, safer, and super focused. It's called Claude AI by Anthropic. Think of Claude as a calm, focused cousin of ChatGPT trained to be more helpful, honest, and harmless. But what really makes Claude different? Let's break it down. What is Claude AI? Claude is a large language model, just like ChatGPT, but built using something called constitutional AI. This means it's trained with a strong ethical framework, so it avoids toxic replies, tries to follow user intent clearly, and explains better without hallucinating facts. How to use Claude AI? Head to Claude AI's and up with your email. No install needed. Start typing or upload your file size. It accepts stocks code files of huge prompts up to 150,000 tokens, which means you can drop a full report, a code base, or a product manual, and Claude will summarize, debug, or explain it clearly. Who is Claude for? YouTubers and scriptwriters summarize research, generate titles. Developers debug, explain, or clean code. Project managers upload docs, get summary estimates. Long-form Q&A, concept understanding. Researcher handle large academic content. Pros handles long context brilliantly, gives structured, to-the-point replies, reads and explains PDFs or code naturally. Safer model doesn't overshare or hallucinate like others. Cons: no plugin support yet. Browser only, no mobile app. Sometimes too safe, avoids edgy or creative topics. Slightly slower than ChatGPT for casual users. Data and privacy: Cloud doesn't train on your data unless you opt in. Anthropic focuses heavily on user alignment, safety, and transparency, so it's a good choice if you're privacy conscious. Still, never upload confidential or client data unless you're using a business plan. BlackSattai Verdict. Claude AI is a deep work tool built for creators, coders, and thinkers. It's not here to entertain. It's here to deliver clarity, even in complex projects. If you want safe, structured, reliable AI, Claude might just be your go-to assistant. Another tool, another truth. This is BlackSattai AI.